why revised DPR in Karnataka? Because of forest area. According to Paila DPR, 367 hectares forest will lose because of Paila DPR. Second revised DPR, only 61 hectares. Karnataka is thinking, instead of tunnel, in the revised DPR, there is a lift irrigation. The new concept is there. Only 61 hectares. That's also I tell you. Yesterday when I cross-checked, when we lose forest, we lose 61 hectares. Karnataka has to compensate in other area, non-forest area, for the forest department.
But we will not get the water. We will not get the rain if it is not compensated in that area. I'm telling you, if there is no rain, there will be no water, and both the states will be at loss. There should be such a solution.
One thing I tell you,
which the environment is protected, and also we get the water, also for Karnataka and also for us. But when you have got so many rivers.
Ashokji, there is one genuine concern, and that is about the clearances that you need to take after the approval to this DPR and a wildlife approval. And there is a genuine concern that your project falls hardly 250 meters away from the wildlife sanctuary, completely in the buffer zone, and that's a huge concern. How do you respond to that concern?
Ata Karnataka government has applied for the wildlife clearance some days back, and it has got forest environment clear. Forest and environment, it got already. Karnataka has got clearance from the environment in 2019 only. Prakash Javadekar, I show you the letter.
I remember that.
Prakash Javadekar letter.
I remember that letter.
Yes, Prakash Javadekar had told the delegation that the letter will be on the hold. And he told Bommai that there is nothing is on the hold, you are given the permission. This is politics. This is politics, I am telling.
Do you think center is playing double role?
Yes.
Whether center is playing double role?
Yes. Because
that is why.
Honorable Minister Prakash Javadekar told the committee which had gone to meet him, he said it will be kept on the hold, and immediately after 5 days, he tells Mr. Bommai that it is cleared. Now this is fact. You showed the letter, and we in the delegation there were about 15 people who are witness to it.
Then Home Minister Bommai was the Home Minister when he wrote a letter in 2019.
So Ashokji,